guys, welcome back to my channel. How you been doing? Hopefully you missed me. Here's my another video. Tell me if you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe. Press that subscribe button so you're gonna see more new videos about how to clean. Join our small internet family. We're gonna have some fun. I would like you to be part of it. Today we're gonna do some quick cleaning. Just make house a little bit more tidy, and upstairs I'm gonna, in my bedroom, organizing our laundry. So stay tuned and please enjoy. To the kitchen. First unload the dishwasher, and Desmond loves helping me. One of his favorite things is to play with cutlery basket. I can just give him a couple spoons and a cutlery basket and he will stay entertained for a long time. One hand method. Sure, Mums knows this method really well. You can just do anything you want with one hand and a toddler on your hip. Bringing you a little bit closer, sorry if you couldn't see that. I'm just loading the dishwasher now and wash some other things by hand. While I'm doing this, Desmond was playing with the stuff from the cupboard. You can see. Good news, guys, I'm gonna update my wardrobe. I saw myself on these videos and I realized I have to look a little bit more presentable, which is, I think, good thing. It's a good change. Funny thing, you see yourself on the video and you think, oh my god, but when you don't, even like if you look at the mirror, you don't realize how you think you look good, you look fine. But it's time to have some changes, and the spring is here, so it's good time. Soon I'm gonna show you some of my new wardrobe updates. With the kitchen. This is our food recycling. Wash it with dish soap and a little bit of vinegar. Vinegar is such a good thing, but at the moment I couldn't find it anywhere in the shops. So I guess it's another essential where people buying it. or like pasta or like steamed tomatoes. It's weird, I would say, but I'm sure I'm gonna find it soon. By the way, guys, how you do during the lockdown? What's your entertainment time? How do you cope with that? I quite like cleaning. I think it's calming, and I feel like in control. Interesting story. I decided to wash this bag, so I haven't washed it since I bought it, this rucksack, and I went to the shop and I smelled something bad. I was like, what's this thing? And basically it was my rucksack. All these bits of food, and it's disgusting. So I just emptied all the bills, all the paper, going to the bin, things to wash. And that rucksack is gonna be washed in a washing machine by the end of the day. Finishing the floors. Dog going to the garden, and it's so dirty because baby, his sticky fingers all over the glass, so it's quite often I need to clean it. I did put a little bit of laundry concentrate or laundry softener in, so the house smells nicer. It's kind of like a refreshing thing. You can put actually Zuflora, which is disinfectant. Also smells nice. Well, welcome to our bedroom. This is the welcome back to our bedroom. That sounds really weird, but this is how it looks. It's got lots of laundry and sorting out and maybe cleaning and decluttering. First is gonna make our bed. We co-sleep, so our baby sleep with me and my husband. So that's why we have an extra extension bed. Gonna put clean stuff away first, all washed baby stuff and our stuff. Stuff. Do you guys sort your laundry to the white colors and dark? Tell me, comment below. Maybe you know different system how to do your laundry much easier. Now is a good sniff test. In this corner we put clothing, which we wore only once. It's not too dirty to wash, but it's not too clean to go back to the clean clothing. So we hang it there, and maybe we can wear it once or twice more. But I do sniff test. I don't know if you do. It's just quite easy to check if it's need to go to the laundry or not. stuff like jumpers and cardigans. This is the shelf where I keep all my clean duvet pillowcases and towels, bath towels. I didn't really like how it looks. It looks like a pile of you know what. So decided to, there's Desmond playing with Peekaboo. Just sorting everything out, putting all the pillowcases in one pile, and I realized I have way too many pillowcases compared to the duvets and other stuff. I don't iron my bedding. I used to do it, but at the moment I don't have a spare time for that, so I just don't do it. It's not that important. I don't think it's that important. This is the baby stuff, which he's not baby anymore, and it's gonna go to the storage. Maybe we can. There's another method I used. I just take the empty basket and I put everything from the tops which not belongs to here, and I can take it downstairs or to the places where it belongs. Now dust in my treasure box where I keep my hair and skin products. Quick dust. Dusty. Don't forget about cobwebs. My spiky mat, and Desmond stood in it. He didn't cry, but he was shocked. Guys, this is the end result. Hope you really liked it. Please don't forget to subscribe, press that button, press the bell, comment. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate all your support. Thank you.